Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Honda Civic VTi-L Sedan, stock reference number 4459. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2006 through to the 12th month 2011. It has an R18 A1 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. R18 A1 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tail boot lid garnish, right hand boot lid garnish, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage, as well as the right hand guard. Right power door mirror does have some paint peeling on the top edge, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. We have the automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, tacho, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.